Hello, I'm Andrew Smith from the Open University Cisco Academy, and I'm going to cover Etherchannel, or at least the basic configuration of Etherchannel. The first thing I'm going to do is actually throw into my network a couple of switches. This isn't rocket science. I'm just going to throw in a couple of 2600s, and then I am just going to label them for the sense of sanity left and right. Okay, so we know which one's left and we know which one's right, and then I'm going to throw in 4 cables: 1 to 1, 2 to 2, 3 to 3, and cunningly 4 to 4. Okay, nothing clever here either, but I just want to it's quite clear that I'm going to set this up as an ether channel. So on the left hand side, I'm going to start this up. Let's go in there, enable, configure, terminal, host name left so I know where I am, and I'm going to do interface range FA0/1 to 4, and I'm going to make it switch port access VLAN 10 for simplicity. So I've done that, and then I am going to put it as part of a channel group. So channel group question mark number 1 question mark mode question mark, and this is where it's interesting. Tells you all the modes. So you saw the tables in the video, and you can see the different modes that are PHP or LACP. Okay, and you already see it's now shouting because obviously the opposite end is not connected properly, so we're just going to get a little bit of noise going on here until I configure the other end. So blah 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 blah, and if you look at the table, it is desirable is the one that's going. So you think that auto will do both ends, but if auto is on both ends, it won't negotiate. But you need desirable auto or desirable. Okay, so I'm going to set this up as desirable, and then I'm going to just do WR for now. Okay, now you're going to see a lot of cables up and down, up and down. It's going to keep renegotiating. You've got VLAN mismatch here, enable conft, host name, right. Okay, and then I'm going to do interface range FA0/1 -4, so that's the range to 4. Switch port access VLAN 10, so they're all part of the same VLAN. And channel, going to type Andrew, channel group, remind myself, 1 mode, as we talked about, desirable. And you can see now, let's bring it down, and it should all come back up again. So it's been negotiating, and now we've got the same VLAN and we've got the same trunk across both ends. Now this, because this runs Lights Foundry, there you go, it's negotiating. It's negotiating as if it is one port, okay, or one cable. Even though there is 4 cables, I put 4 crossover cables there for simplicity, not to worry about automidics, and there it is. So they're all up, they're all connected, they're all in the same VLAN, they're all in the same channel, and that just took me moments to do. So if I just exit and just do a show run, you can see the configuration here, desirable. You can see that it's in that VLAN, so it's joined the same VLAN. It's picked up that configuration quite happily. And if I do a show IP int brief, show IP int brief, you can see, yeah, what is part of its manual, and it's up because it's part of that port channel. And if I do show Etherchannel, you can see what's grouped and what's listed there, and you can start going through all the different show commands and troubleshooting that go on. So it's not difficult. I'll have to either set them up as a trunk for inter-VLAN routing, or here, all as part of the same VLAN and make sure that both ends are exactly the same. And it prints it out. It's not that difficult. But yeah, and I thought I'd do 4 cables just to prove a point. So, thank you very much for watching this short video. I'm Andrew Smith from the Open University Cisco Academy.